let me order my Starbucks coffee. So anyways, this is the hair.
Hi, thanks for choosing Starbucks. My name is Aisha.
Great.
All right, and that's it. Okay, it's from 64. We'll see you around.
Okay, thank you. Hey Queen, so I'm getting my order for my caramel macchiato. But you guys know, if you don't know, I have lost over 50 pounds, and it took me 2 years, and my goal is 3 to get down to my goal weight, 3 years to get down to my goal weight. So I have another 60 pounds to go, but I still do little things. I still like my Starbucks coffee here and there, and what I do is I eliminate a lot of the sugar, try to eliminate a lot of the sugar. So I get the grande, it's a medium size, it's a caramel macchiato, but I don't get the 5 pumps of vanilla that comes with it. I only get 1 pump. And then sometimes I'll do a light caramel drizzle, and instead of getting regular milk, I'll get the oat milk or the almond milk. So just little things like that that you can do to help, you know, because my thing is I'm just taking it one day at a time, and you know, get it off slowly. So like last month, I only lost 1 pound, which is fine. I didn't gain, I only lost 1 pound. But the healthy way to lose the weight is, they say, is 2 pounds per week. So, and then I have my liberties. Like if I want a Reese's cup, I'll get me a Reese's cup, but I know I'm mindful and intentional, so I know that if I do that, then I have to, you know, beef up my water, beef up my veggies and things like that. I mean, we all know what to do to lose the weight. Exercise, drink your water, cut back on small portions in your meal. Your meat is about the size of your palm, your protein portion for your meat, and just different things, and you have to do what works for you. Yes, 1 pump of vanilla. Oat milk, Yeah. So I don't think, okay. And then, you know, the best exercise is just to walk. You know, walk. Get your walk in, and, you know, then we get to the point, start, you know, toning up, you know, getting that muscles built up. So, you know, it's a process. You have to learn your body. And if you're on medication, like I said, if you're on medication, then you have to figure out what's going to work for you according to what medications you're taking as well. So it's and you have to learn how the body works. So it's a whole process, and I'm trying to do holistic stuff, and, you know, take your vitamins, and, you know, just do the basic stuff. So it's an ongoing process. But like I said, last month I only lost 1 pound, but I'm still happy about that 1 pound loss. I didn't gain. Praise the Lord. I didn't gain. So I'm just working on it. But this will be the first summer that I wear a bathing suit. So that video will be coming out pretty soon too, because I'm excited about that. So yeah, I had to clear my bathing suit with my son, because you know, I don't want to embarrass nobody. I'm be showing too much of the skin. And y'all, I love this hair. Look at the tips on that. Isn't that beautiful? I love this hair, and it's easy to take care of. And once again, it's 8 inches, and all you have to do at night is put your bonnet on. I mean, you can swim, you can work out with this hair, you can even shampoo this hair. This hair is shampooable. So this is a great summer hair. It really is. It's a great summer hair. So on my way back to the salon to get her started and cutified, beautified. Okay, Queens, I went ahead and stopped so I can take a little lunch break before I go back in. I have 2 more clients to do today. And, I went to, what is this? Jimmy John's. Jimmy John's sandwich, and they had a sandwich called Unwich. So the Unwich is no bread, and it's a total lettuce wrap. Cheese, mayonnaise, cucumbers, tomatoes, and more shredded lettuce. And it is so good. It's really good. This is what I'm saying, when you're mindful and intentional about what you're eating. And even Panera doesn't have, like for fast food, Panera doesn't have anything like this. And you would think they would have something like this, but they don't. And I'm so happy to find a fast food restaurant where you can still get veggies, because really that's all I wanted. I'm trying to really try hard to cut back on my carbs. So I got this, and I got me a Smoothie King 20-ounce drink from there. And this is lunch. And then so for dinner tonight, I'll probably have some baked chicken with some more vegetables, and then maybe another coffee and my water and a tea. And that's it. This is so good.
If this ain't enough, I got the other pack hair. But I had a lot of people ask me, like, where did you get your hair done? Oh my God. And
wow.
Yeah, I had a lot of people.
You tell them PK crochet?
Yeah, I did.
Okay.
Yeah, and then my sister was like, Ms.Pk said, oh, it's too early for you to come. I said, you done it in April. Yeah, I got it done at the end of April.
Yeah,
so.
Yeah. But some people they like to, you know, they like to keep it fresh.
Yeah, I like to keep
it
fresh.
Like to keep it fresh.
I decided to do something different.
Yeah, like to keep it fresh, you know. Queens, I put a mesh net from the top to the back, and then I use light brown strings to sew down the mesh net, so that way when it's taken down, it's easily found. This is the picture that she wanted her hair to look like.